Hi, I'm Mr. Caudell and I teach Auto Tech 1. I just want to give you guys a little information about our class. It's a 2-year program. You'd be in my class the first year, Auto Tech 2 the second year. In Auto Tech 1, we do a lot of safety, tool usage, tool identification, lifting, supporting, chemicals, their usage, maintenance work, which is going to be things like oil changes, tire rotations, batteries, normal wear items. You'll learn how to work safely out in the shop, and lifting, supporting the vehicles. Everything we have out here is heavy, can be dangerous. Our main areas that we get into are steering, suspension, and brakes. I'd like for you guys to bring your own vehicles in, your parents' vehicles. We do a lot of tires. You'll use the tire machine, the balancers, the lifts. You'll learn all the names for the tools. We have really good equipment. It's a really nice place to work. I think you would enjoy it. Most of the guys and gals have a good time and enjoy what they do over here. So we're gonna just show you a little bit of stuff in the shops, and I appreciate you guys viewing this. Thank you.
So the batteries on there first will get battery. It's an automotive type battery in the vehicle, 12-volt battery.
I am 100% a hands-on learner. I absolutely love working with vehicles and this is going to Gibson Tech is one of the reasons I go to school. It's just a fun experience. It's all I can do. I mean, I can work on my own vehicle, and that's just one of the amazing things I like about it. And I'm just 100% into the technical side of it. I get bored in regular classes easily, and I'm always having just a blast learning and doing hands-on work. It's amazing.